traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, I'm definitely still looking at this as a 1, 2, 3 of an expanding flat wave C. I think this over here is the wave A. I think this is 3 waves down for the wave B, lower low wave B. I think now we're going to get a higher high wave C for the expanding flat wave C. But this is the monthly, so that's going to take a long time to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, I think this first 5 waves up is a wave 1. I think we have a higher high wave B, higher high wave C, which is why I'm calling this a running flat wave 2. Then we have 5 waves up, I think it's a wave 1 of 3. WXY wave 2 of wave 3. I still think we are in a wave 3 of wave 3, and I'm still very, very bullish for this wave 3 of wave C. So taking it down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, the trend is definitely still up on the daily. I still think this is all subdivisions of a wave 3 on the higher time frames. We have no breaker structure to the downside. We have no lower high. No reason at all to say that this trend is over yet. I'm definitely still looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, on most other dollar pairs, it actually, like especially the euro dollar and some of the other ones, it looks like an ABC correction. Now, this one has a higher high right here, which makes me think that this still is a wave C, and it's probably just going to go down, maybe even make a higher low, and just keep on trending up, since this is likely already an ABC based on correlated pairs. So, let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, all the other dollar pairs, this looks like a wave B. This is a wave A on most of the other dollar pairs. So I think that there's a good chance on this one also. It's probably 1, 2, 3 waves up B. Now we're probably in what likely is already a wave C. Now if it is a wave C, it definitely could take out the low of wave A. But the fact that we got a higher high wave B means we could get a higher high wave C for like a running flat. So keep a very close eye on your Fibonacci levels. If it does, but give a good Fibonacci bounce, a nice break of structure, then definitely go long for the continuation of the uptrend. If it does take out the low of wave A, then I would put my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move up, and I would still actually be looking for a Fibonacci bounce to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.